Alright guys, what's going on today? Hope everyone's doing good. Another vehicle profile today. Trying to get these 30 something vehicles knocked out so we can start getting some stories and some playlists on the vehicles. This video is going to be about the Fortec 2.0. This was actually the chassis kit. It has a Killerbody. This is one of the pre-finished bodies that you actually buy with them already have completed it. So as you can tell, this thing is absolutely flawless. I have not completed it yet. I actually want to, one of the things I want to do is cut this opening out and then get some little mesh, put the mesh on there, or probably actually not put the mesh in there. Just get the radiator. I want to get another radiator that's on my is on my Fijion, which is this one right here. I want to get another one of these radiators and put it in the hole that cuts out for the grill, so you can actually see the radiator behind the bumper. Sorry guys, a little not prepared. I have not got the spoiler on yet, and I really don't. I like the body better without the spoiler. I wish they hadn't have pre-mounted or pre-drilled the holes back here, because I actually like the looks of it better without the spoiler. I don't really want the spoiler, and they pre-drilled the holes, and I want the side mirrors, and they did not pre-drill the holes. So kind of figures, huh? This does have a full light kit on it with I put a magnetic body mount on here. That's already coming off. Figures. But it does have a little El Cheapo light kit that I got from somewhere. But yeah, other than that guys, the chassis is actually still stock. Actually, I do have the sway bar kit to put on this, the Traxxas sway bar kit for this. I just have not put it on yet. But this is the 2.0. And probably be getting a 3.0 soon. I definitely want one of those old hot rods that they've done with the 3.0s. So do something quite interesting with those things, right? But yeah guys, really short video. There's not really that much to see. I mean, the body on this thing is absolutely gorgeous. I need to get one of my tags for it also. But yeah, this thing is gorgeous, guys, and it sits really well. Well, the paint's so good it's reflecting. Just a perfect amount of tuck going on there. But yeah guys, this thing is absolutely gorgeous. As soon as I opened that box up and saw this body for the first time, I'm just like, wow. And I actually have another one on order. Their Scion body I actually have on order that's pre-done for my Fijion FJ9. But alright guys, we'll see you again in a bit. Thanks.